Hi, I'm Executive Chef Cody at Takibi, here cooking and camping with Snow Peak. All right, this is our grilled cabbage dish. This is something we're running seasonally at Takibi at the moment. So just really quickly, a little salt on the wedge of cabbage. I've already put a little bit of vegetable oil on the cabbage. And then we're gonna put this on high heat, kind of as close to the fire as possible, and just really char both sides of the cabbage while hopefully getting it nice and cooked through. So it's going to take a few minutes per side. All right, I think we've got it kind of right where we want it. Cooked through, but nice and charred on the outside. All right, so now I'm just going to cut the core off here. And cut it right down the middle here. And we're gonna add a karashi and tosazu vinaigrette, finished with a little kizami nori. And that's the grilled cabbage.